Okay, so now we have completed up to this point. Okay, and we still need to set up starting balance. Okay. And so the first starting balance is 0. I say initial fund. Okay. So we need to look at whether there will be um, withdrawal. Withdrawals will happen if the person is retired. So if we multiply whether retired or not with this retirement living, that will give you 0 if you're still working, and it will give you 50,000 if you're retired. So withdrawal will be, okay, the currently estimated living expense, 4 times retired or not. So that will give you your withdrawal. Okay. Now the ending balance will be, okay, so you have the starting balance and the return. So this is the starting balance. So how much return you're going to make from the starting balance? Starting balance times the rate of return, which we have assumed to be 3% above inflation. So press F4 for that. Okay. So now your ending balance is going to be the starting balance, okay, plus return plus contribution. Okay, and then minus withdrawal. So that will be the ending balance, and that ending balance is your starting balance for the next year. So now we can copy that. Okay, and these are dollars as well. Okay, so now we copy that. Okay, and we copy that. Okay, so now we have to keep going. All right, so let's do that, and copy. So let's see how far down we want to go. Okay, let's say we want to go up to 100. Okay, so let's stop at that. All right. So as you see that once you hit 65, the retired becomes 1, and then your salary and contributions become 0. Then you start withdrawing from the fund. Okay. Now to figure out when the fund will run out, we can set up another column like the retired. So here fund greater than 0, so will be 1 if the ending balance is greater than 0. Otherwise we'll make it 0. And then if you add that column, that will give you the total number of years that the fund will not run out. Then we can add that to the current age. That will tell you the age at which you will run out. Right? So again, this could be modeled in different ways, but this is a straightforward, easy way. So you say ending balance, okay, is greater than 0, then 1. Otherwise 0. So copy that. Okay, then you see that once it runs out, it's 0. So now year funds run out, or age by which fund will run out, is we can just sum that entire column and then add your current age, which is that. So it will give you. So that's the age at which you will run out, and that's the cell that we want to analyze. Okay. All right. Now let's look at this is a deterministic model. So we'll do a what-if analysis when the fund will run out. So this is a deterministic model. So we'll do a what-if analysis, and then we will do simulation in a later chapter.